Back to news. హైదరాబాద్ క్రికెట్ అసోసియేషన్ అధ్యక్ష పదవికి మాజీ కెప్టెన్ అజరుద్దీన్ వేసిన నామినేషన్ తిరస్కరణకు గురైంది. బీసీసీఐ వేటును ఆధారంగా చూపుతూ ఆయన నామినేషన్ తిరస్కరించారు రిటర్నింగ్ ఆఫీసర్. హెచ్సీఏలో అజర్కు సభ్యత్వం లేదనే వాదన కూడా కొందరు చేశారు. అయితే అంతర్జాతీయ టెస్ట్ మ్యాచ్లు ఆడిన వారికి ఆటోమేటిక్ గా సభ్యత్వం ఉంటుందని చెబుతోంది అజర్ వర్గం. తన నామినేషన్ ఎందుకు తిరస్కరించారో చెప్పడం లేదంటూ ఆవేదన వ్యక్తం చేసిన మాజీ కెప్టెన్ బరిలో ఉన్న వివేక్ ప్రభుత్వం నుంచి జీతం తీసుకుంటున్నందున ఆయన నామినేషన్ కూడా చెల్లదంటున్నారు. దీనిపై న్యాయ పోరాటం కూడా చేసే ప్లాన్ లో ఉన్నారు అజరుద్దీన్.
When you file it, you always feel confident. It's not that you don't feel negative about it. You don't feel negative about it. You feel very confident. At the same time, when I went to file the nomination as a test cricketer, which it automatically I get a nomination because I have played cricket for India. But when I asked him for the nomination form to be given, he said that the date is over, so that's why I had to file it on the National Cricket Club. But I think right from the beginning, I think this process looked to me a little bit flawed, because as the Secretary, Mr. John also said that the nomination last date was 10th and then withdrawal on the 12th, and then he kept on delaying and delaying and delaying. You cannot do that because the time for the election is very, very short. Because as a election advocate commissioner, as he's been said, but I gave him all the answers he asked from me, and I gave him all the prerequisites, whatever he required about my case, because they kept saying that because of the BCCI, I think I gave him the court order also, and I think rejection has come. I think it's very sad, that this had to happen, and I'm very disappointed because most of the people who write, I don't mean to say anything against the press, but people are misinformed because they don't know what is being written, what is there in the papers. Because once you read the papers, once you read the case, everything is clear. Because I think that thing should be put to rest, because I think the court, I've got an order from the court which have cleared me for everything, and I've given that to Mr. Reddy also. But today I found out that in the morning when somebody called me and said the list is displayed. I really don't know what time the list was displayed, but once the list is displayed, and I think the commissioner should be present here when the list is displayed, wherever it was displayed. He should be here to answer the questions. But unfortunately, he is not here. He should tell me why my candidature is rejected. Because I need the reasons from him. I need to know from him why, and why he's accepted the other people also. Because I need to know everything. As a commissioner, his duty is to be here. He is not present. When I called him, and it was very good of him to take my call, because his phone was off, right, for almost like 3 or 4 hours before. And I explained to him. I asked him humbly. I requested him humbly. With utmost respect, but he said he will give in writing. But I want to know as soon as possible, because I have to go for the legal course also. And first of all, I think the people who he has accepted, Mr. President, I don't want to name him, but he is a cabinet in this thing. He has got a cabinet rank in the government. The clear details are here. If you go by this, it is written that he is drawing salary of 1 lakh rupees plus all the facilities, an IS officer and whatever the minister they get, he is getting everything. So how on earth can he qualify? I mean, I really don't know whether he is following the association rules, the cricket association constitution, or the laws of constitution. We really do not know. First of all, I honestly feel that since it has been a court order, so we had to go through that process. But I think the Lodha committee rules and recommendations has not been followed. So that's why he's, I think, maybe misinformed. But according to this thing, Mr. Vivek also cannot qualify, because he's being a cabinet rank. He's not cabinet minister rank. He cannot qualify, because it is clearly stated in the Lodha recommendation that you cannot be a government servant, and then especially he's drawing a salary also. If you go by I have got it on the phone. This is just come in the newspaper, but I think if you go by the government order, it says it is on the government letterhead, which says, I just want to read, says the government of Telangana. Everything is clear, and when Mr. Vivekanand is appointed, and I think this is a very sorry state of affairs. This had to happen, because being a cricketer myself, whatever little I have represented, whatever little I have contributed to the country. But if I have to go through this like this, so I do not know how others will be having the problem. I mean, they have so many problems now because I want, as I've said, everybody wants the betterment of Hyderabad cricket. Because my sole intention was to come here and do a job where, unfortunately, I mean, if I have to do something for the association, I mean, I have to have a post because it's an unfortunate thing. Because I mean, even everywhere it happens, and even politics also, you need to have a post to do something. Because I just can't come in and say, then I want to do this, do this, do this. I cannot do that because the people are involved. Because I think it is very important that I request the press to highlight this, whatever has happened, especially till today. Now also we are waiting for the commissioner, is not here. Because we wanted to give a press conference after meeting the commissioner, the returning officer, but he unfortunately is not here, and I don't think he will come also, because that is my personal view.